Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. Which is the capital of Mizoram? Your right answer is Aizawl. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following crop is not a Zaid crop? Your right answer is mustard. Option A is your correct answer. The Constitution of India describes India as a, your right answer is Union of States. Option C is your correct answer. The Vice President is a member of, your right answer is neither Lok Sabha nor Rajya Sabha. Option C is your correct answer. What is the formula for pressure? Your right answer is force per area. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following years was declared as the International Year of Water Corporation by the United Nations? Your right answer is 2013. Option C is your correct answer. What was the royal emblem of the Rashtrakutas? Your right answer is golden eagle. Option D is your correct answer. The process whereby a liquid or water changes into a gas or water vapor is called. Your right answer is evaporation. Option B is your correct answer. What is the atomic number of carbon? Your right answer is 6. Option A is your correct answer. Who gave the slogan freedom is my birthright and I shall have it? Your right answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following monuments is not built by Shah Jahan? Your right answer is Panch Mahal. Option D is your correct answer. Who acted as the interim Prime Minister of the India immediately on the death of Jawaharlal Nehru? Your right answer is Gulzarilal Nanda. Option D is your correct answer. Indian cricket team played their first ever ODI against which one of the following teams? Your right answer is England. Option B is your correct answer. What is the expansion of NPCI? Your right answer is National Payment Corporation of India. Option C is your correct answer. Which one of the following is a natural source of acetic acid? Your right answer is vinegar. Option C is your correct answer. Warli folk painting is from which state of India? Your right answer is Maharashtra. Option D is your correct answer. Sardar Sarovar Dam is located in, your right answer is Gujarat. Option D is your correct answer. What is the formula for methane? Your right answer is CH4. Option A is your correct answer. Which one of the following is the largest country by area in the world? Your right answer is Russia. Option D is your correct answer. Which one of the following state is the most densely populated state as per 2011 census? Your right answer is Bihar. Option D is your correct answer. Where is Sanchi Stupa located? Your right answer is Madhya Pradesh. Option A is your correct answer. Grand Slam tournament is related to which among the following sports? Your right answer is tennis. Option C is your correct answer. The substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrient for the healthy group plants are called dash. Your right answer is fertilizer. Option D is your correct answer. What is the currency name of Brazil? Your right answer is Brazilian real. Option B is your correct answer. Which is the capital of Kenya? Your right answer is Nairobi. Option A is your correct answer. What is the distance between the moon and the earth? Your right answer is 3.84 into 10 to the power 5 kilometer. Option A is your correct answer. What is the nickname of PT Usha? Your right answer is Pioli Express. Option A is your correct answer. In which of the following continent Great Victoria Desert is situated? Your right answer is Australia. Option D is your correct answer. Rajya Sabha is considered to be a permanent house because your right answer is the house is never dissolved. Option B is your correct answer. Who is known as modern Manu? Your right answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Option C is your correct answer. When was the third roundtable conference held? Your right answer is 1932. Option B is your correct answer. Dash is a group of silicate mineral that have perfect cleavage so that they split easily into thin plates. Your right answer is mica. Option C is your correct answer. Who is the CEO of Niti Aayog? Your right answer is Amitabh Kant. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following is a popular folk dance of Himachal Pradesh? Your right answer is Charpa. Option C is your correct answer. The Federal Court of India was set up in the year dash. Your right answer is 1937. Option B is your correct answer. Open-ended and closed-ended scheme are the term used in dash. Your right answer is mutual funds. Option A is your correct answer. Where was Vallabhi University located? Your right answer is Gujarat. Option C is your correct answer. Who among the following can preside over a joint sitting of the two houses of the Indian Parliament? Your right answer is Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Option C is your correct answer. What is the expansion of sonar? Your right answer is sound, navigation and ranging. Option C is your correct answer. Which state comes under the Article 370 of the Constitution? Your right answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Option A is your correct answer. In which of the following countries Perth Stadium is located? Your right answer is Australia. Option B is your correct answer. The study of inscription is called? Your right answer is epigraphy. Option D is your correct answer. Where is the headquarters of Multi Commodity Exchange located? Your right answer is Mumbai. Option A is your correct answer. Pench National Park is situated in dash. Your right answer is Madhya Pradesh. Option B is your correct answer. The President of India is elected by? Your right answer is indirect election by Electoral College. Option C is your correct answer. C.A. Bhavani Devi is associated with which sports or game? Your right answer is fencing. Option B is your correct answer. The members of Rajya Sabha are elected for the period of? Your right answer is 6 years. Option C is your correct answer. Lozar festival is celebrated by which of the following religion? Your right answer is Buddhism. Option B is your correct answer. The process by which green plants make their own food from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called dash. Your right answer is photosynthesis. Option C is your correct answer. This is our last questions of today class, question of 50. Who topped the Forbes highest paid female athletes 2018 list? Your right answer is Serena Williams. Option A is your correct answer. I hope you like the sections. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get your success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.